Case name Vikas, age is 44 years and today date is 1st August 2024 and complaint of change in voice from 1st May 2024 and ENT finding is left vocal cord palsy. Vikas, I want speech sample why you came here. क्यों आए हैं यहाँ पे? Before treatment का sample चाहिए.
Like I came for this treatment only. My doctors at Shimla, they diagnosed with left vocal cord palsy.
Post therapy video of Mr. Vikas and today date is 8th August 2024. तो विकास जी बताइए क्या प्रॉब्लम थी और इस 8 दिन के थेरेपी में क्या महसूस कर रहे हैं? ऐसे पिक्चर अभी बाकी है आपका.
Yeah, when I came on 1st of August, it was due to left vocal cord paralysis for which I had come to the treatment, especially to Bangalore from Shimla. Now during these 8 days, we did a lot of vocal exercises under the guidance of Dr. Sanjay. He guided us when and what exercise has to be done, and I felt there is some improvement in my voice since day one, and I've become little more confident, though he has made me clear it's a long journey to travel yet.
So when you are calling to your friends and relatives, so what they are telling after this 8 days of voice therapy?
Yeah, yesterday evening when I spoke to a few of them, mostly they were of the opinion that they could see a more confident voice rather than what was there on day one.
So what was the ENT finding?
ENT finding is that my left vocal cord has a paralysis.
And because of that there is a voice problem.
Yeah, there is a coarseness in my voice.
So this treatment will be in a hybrid mode, means offline mode we have completed but online mode is still there. So picture abhi baki hai. So anyway, thank you so much for coming here and showing faith in us. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive change in this 8 days, please write in the comment box and like this video, share this video, so that people, those are having the vocal cord paralysis and the voice problem, they can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.